Here I have Thomson TO13P, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding a finger on it, you can access so you can't really access anything about the screen recorder. I mean, it's just some system UI. Okay, so to start recording, just tap on this button once, and it's recording now, as you can see. So now we can record our screen like anything you need. And when you're done recording, you just go to upper bar here, tap on this When you're done recording, you go to the upper bar and tap on the screen record button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. To the folder called BMax i9. So yeah, and in this folder you can find your recordings, and from here you can share, edit them or delete them, and also this info too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.